With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is, length of simple pendulum is 40 centimeters. Calculate its time period. So what is time period? Time period of a pendulum is time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation. Alright. And we know the formula for time period. Formula for time period is given by 2 pi under root L by G, where L is the length of the pendulum and G is the gravitational acceleration. So time period will be given by 2 into pi, that is 3.14, under root length is given to us as 40 centimeters, that is 0.4 meters. So length is 0.4 and gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meters per second square. So by solving this, we will get time period as 1.26 seconds. Alright, so this is the time period of the pendulum. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.